In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your real estate business with Zapier. This is a straightforward 5-minute walkthrough that will enhance your operations by linking various platforms to work in harmony. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier's website. Zapier is a powerful tool that allows you to automate repetitive tasks between 2 or more apps without coding. It's like creating your personal workflow assistant. Next, look to the top right corner of the Zapier homepage and click on the login button. If you're already registered, you can log in directly. For simplicity and convenience, we'll log in using a Google account. This method is quick and keeps your login information secure. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the home dashboard. Here you'll see a variety of options to explore, but for today we'll focus on creating a new Zap. Let's go ahead and click on Create to start building our automation. You'll then need to select Zaps from the menu. Zaps are essentially automated tasks that connect your apps, saving you the hassle of manual work. Think of them as your invisible team members, doing the heavy lifting in the background. With Zaps in mind, the first component we need is a trigger. Click on Trigger. This is where you set up the initial event that will prompt an action. For this example, we'll use Facebook lead ads as our trigger source. If you're running campaigns to gather potential clients, this is a powerful way to capture leads directly. Now let's choose an event. Select New Lead. This means every time a new lead comes in through your Facebook ads, it will automatically trigger your Zap. Before moving on, it's crucial to connect and sign into your accounts. Click on Sign In to provide Zapier access. This is necessary so Zapier can interact with your apps and streamline the data flow. Make sure your connections are secure and test them to avoid any hiccups later on. The next step switches our focus to the action part of the Zap. Click on Action, and this time we are going to connect with Google Sheets. This will allow us to neatly organize and store all the captured lead data in a structured manner. Move forward by selecting Create Spreadsheet Row. This means every time a new Facebook lead is detected, a new row will be created in your Google Sheet with all the details captured. Again, remember to sign into your Google account for a smooth setup. Once everything is linked and all settings look good, it's time to test again. Testing ensures your newly created Zap works smoothly without any issues. Finally, go ahead and click on Publish to make your new Zap active. With these steps completed, your real estate business should now enjoy a more automated and efficient lead management process. I hope this guide was helpful for you, and thanks for following along. Until next time, happy automating.